I have opened up everything that's left in the semester. And so you'll see that we have a couple of wrap up activities here for the last couple weeks. You will be working on your final project, and there are directions here and a video describing what you should do. If you prefer a checklist, we have that here as well, just a different version of instructions. This is what I go by when I grade, and you can print this out and check things off as you complete them. It is perfectly okay for you to use your responsive page and make adjustments for your final project if you want to. You are also free to do something completely different. It is totally up to you. For your final showcase, you do need to create a PowerPoint indicating what the purpose of the site is, the intended audience, color scheme, and why you chose those colors, what design layout you use, and why you selected it, challenges you faced implementing your project, what you did well, and any areas you feel like you could improve on. Then you're going to take that slideshow and you are going to convert it into an MP4 video. And it is that video that you will be able to upload to the discussion. So when you, after you have the video, you will go into the discussion forum and you can upload that video here. That is due by 4/19. That gives people a week to review and submit their reviews. So to add your video here, you will basically come in and grab this link, choose video, and then you're going to have to hit browse, and you will have to choose a file which will let you go to your system so you can navigate and upload. I would also like you to put a link to your site here so that your classmates can go and see it live. So you're going to tell them about your design, and you're also going to give them the link live. Now, the way you should be doing your links, and I'm just going to grab any of these pages, is you click on them, you press Control and the letter C, as in cat, and then you come in here, and there is a link button. And you can actually paste by pressing Control and the letter V. Paste that link right in here. I usually open it in a new window and create the link. That gives you a nice hyperlink to your site. So they'll have a link to the site, plus they will have the video that you have uploaded. Okay, and then within the next week, you will be reviewing your classmates' projects. So you will take a look at their site, watch their video, and reply to the project, indicate what you liked best. And then if there's anything that you think may make the project even better, go ahead and submit that. And I have to fix these dates, but your link and your video have to be here by the 19th of April. And your review needs to be done by the 26th because that is the last day of class. Okay, then you are going to add your project to GitHub. So if you're not familiar with GitHub, it's almost like an online portfolio for developers, is what I would say. Developers put their code there and they can share it with other people, and quite often employers look there for code as well. So here's a link to the site. You can get a free account. And once you have an account, you'll have to create a repository and upload your project. And here's a video that shows you how to do that. Okay, and then once you get that project uploaded, you are going to submit a link to this Dropbox so I can go see it. And then I will give you points for doing that. Then the last thing you need to do is your ePortfolio. And we in CIT have been using LinkedIn, and you can use LinkedIn as well, or you're welcome to use a different platform. If there's another platform you would prefer, that is fine. Um, if you use GitHub, what a lot of the students are doing is they are putting a link to the projects under accomplishments. So this is a link directly to your GitHub repository. Okay, you click the link, it takes you right there. That is what I would suggest doing. I think that that looks the best, the most professional, and I do have a link that shows you how to set that up. And if you're brand new to LinkedIn, never created anything in there before, if you're just doing it for this class, then you could just do it in this about section. And so there is a link for a video showing you how to do that as well. So that pretty much wraps up everything for this semester. Hopefully, you guys have all read that the MTA is optional. So if you're not comfortable going to the testing center, you haven't been vaccinated, you don't want to expose yourself, that is not a problem. It will not count against you. I'm adjusting our grade scale to 900 points instead of 1,000. So this is not going to hurt anybody's grade. Um, for those of you who want to take the test, you can take it anytime before fall semester. I have exam resources in this first block that is now open. There's information on how to contact the testing center if you would like to take a test, and then what they're expecting you to bring with. There is a video on how to prepare for the test. In addition, I've got the exam objectives and I have a practice test for you guys to try out. Then I've got links to different websites where you can review information. Because what is most critical is that you know all of the objectives and sub-objectives in this document. This is your study guide. This is what is on the test. So if there's something that you don't know, then you can come down and use these links to study up on it. So if you have questions or concerns, please let me know. Have a great week, and I hope you have fun with all of this end of semester activities. Let me know if you have any questions.